Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar. We are talking about English at the Doctor, Part 2, Section 8, Doctor's Common Questions. When you visit a doctor, they ask simple but important questions. Let's learn them one by one. Common questions are, what's the problem? How long have you had this problem? Does it hurt a lot? Do you have a fever? Are you taking any medicine?
Don't panic. You don't need full grammar, just clear answers. Practice. Repeat after us. What's the problem? How long have you had this problem? Do you have a fever? Excellent. Section 9. Funny Story 4. Alex answered everything with yes.
The doctor asked Alex many questions.
I was nervous, so I answered everything with yes.
Doctor, do you have pain? Yes. Do you feel dizzy? Yes. Are you hungry? Yes.
The doctor said, "Sir, relax."
What we learn. Listen carefully and answer honestly. You can say, yes, a little. No, not really. Sometimes. Section 10. Answering how long. Doctors often ask, how long have you had this problem? Easy answers. Since yesterday, for 2 days, for 1 week, for a long time.
You don't need exact dates. Simple time words are enough. Practice. Repeat. Since yesterday. For 2 days. For 1 week. Great. LOL Section 11, Funny Story 5. Luna said from my birth.
Doctor, how long have you had this problem? I said, from my birth.
Lifetime pain. What we learn. Use realistic time. Valid, since yesterday. Valid, for 3 days. Section 12. Talking about medicine.
Doctors often talk about medicine. Useful words, medicine, tablet, syrup, injection, prescription.
And important questions are, how often should I take this? Before food or after food? For how many days? Practice. Repeat. How often should I take this? Before food or after food? For how many days? Excellent. LOL Section 13, Funny Story 6. Alex took medicine like candy.
Alex didn't ask how often to take the medicine.
I thought more is better.
The doctor said, this is medicine, not chocolate.
Section 14. Doctor's Advice English.
Doctors give advice like, take rest, drink more water, avoid cold food, take this medicine twice a day.
Listen carefully and ask questions if needed. Practice. Repeat. Take rest. Drink more water. Avoid cold food. Good. Section 15. Long doctor conversation, real life.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, what's the problem?
I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Okay, take this medicine twice a day and rest.
Speaking practice for you. Answer out loud. 1. What problem do you have? 2. How long have you had it? 3. What did the doctor say?
Speak slowly and clearly. End of Part 2.
Great job. You're learning very useful health English.
One final part is left. Emergencies, hospital English, final role play, and motivation.
And remember to like, share, and subscribe to Miss Grammar.